Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Apex Legends engine error crash. First, close Apex Legends completely. If you are using Steam, open Steam and go to your library. Find Apex Legends in the list, right-click on it, and select Properties. I don't have the game installed right now, but the process is the same for any game. Click on Installed Files, and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the game and download any missing or broken files. This process can take a few minutes, so wait until it finishes. If you are using the EA app, the process is similar. Next, update your graphics card drivers. Outdated drivers are a common cause of engine errors. If you have an NVIDIA card, open the NVIDIA app and check for driver updates. If you have an AMD card, open AMD software and do the same. Download and install the latest driver, then restart your computer. After that, disable all overlays. Overlays can conflict with the game and cause crashes. If you use the NVIDIA app, open it, go to Settings, and disable the in-game overlay. Next, open Discord, go to Settings, then Game Overlay, and turn it off. If you see any other overlays running, turn them off as well. Finally, restart your PC and launch Apex Legends again. In most cases, the engine error crash should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.